You've probably seen luxury RVs before. You've seen tiny houses on trailers. You've even seen futuristic electric vehicles. But every once in a while, a machine appears that completely breaks the internet. It starts with a short video. Someone records it driving down the highway. Within hours, thousands of people are asking the same question: what is that? Before long, millions of views later, this tiny camper trike has become one of the most talked about travel vehicles online. But why is such a small camper attracting so much attention? Is it the futuristic design? The clever engineering? Or is it because it represents a lifestyle that more people are beginning to dream about? Today, we're finding out exactly why this incredible little camper is going viral around the world. The first reason is obvious the moment you see it. It doesn't look like a camper. Most campers are large, box-shaped, and impossible to ignore for all the wrong reasons. This one is completely different. Its aerodynamic body, sleek curves, panoramic windshield, and three-wheel layout make it look more like a concept vehicle from the future than a mobile home. When it drives through a city, people stop walking. Drivers slow down beside it. Passengers point through the windows. Phones come out almost instantly. In today's world, attention is valuable, and this camper earns it without even trying. But here's the interesting part. People don't keep watching because of how it looks. They keep watching because of what's hidden inside. The moment the side door opens, the internet has its second surprise. Instead of an empty shell, viewers discover a beautifully organized living space where every inch has been designed with purpose. The seating area welcomes you with comfortable cushions and large windows that fill the cabin with natural light. It feels bright. It feels modern. It feels far bigger than anyone expected. That's exactly the kind of reveal social media loves. Expectation. Then surprise. And this camper delivers both. The next reason it keeps going viral is its incredible use of space. Every object has more than one purpose. The dining area becomes a workspace. The workspace transforms into a lounge. Later, the lounge becomes a comfortable bed. Nothing is wasted. Everything adapts. People are fascinated because it challenges the idea that a home needs hundreds or even thousands of square feet to feel comfortable. Then there's the kitchen. Most viewers expect a simple camping setup. Instead, they discover a practical cooking area with storage, a sink, food preparation space, and efficient appliances designed for everyday living. Suddenly, the camper stops looking like a weekend toy. It starts looking like a real home. That changes everything. Storage is another feature people love discovering. Hidden compartments appear beneath the seats. Cabinets line the upper walls. Drawers slide out from unexpected places. Each reveal makes viewers ask the same question: how did they fit all of this inside? That's one reason videos of this camper are watched again and again. People notice something new every time. Another reason for its popularity is freedom. Imagine leaving work on Friday afternoon. Instead of rushing to an airport, instead of checking into a hotel, you simply start the engine. A few hours later, you're parked beside a peaceful lake. Saturday morning begins with fresh coffee and an incredible sunrise. Sunday evening ends beside the ocean. By Monday morning, you're home again. No reservations. No complicated planning. Just spontaneous adventure. That lifestyle is becoming increasingly attractive, especially to younger travelers who value experiences more than possessions. The camper also appeals to remote workers. With reliable internet access, almost any beautiful location can become an office. Morning meetings happen with mountain views. Lunch breaks happen beside rivers.